Stop before you throw away that wheat. It's worth more than spinach. With this green roti burns belly fat while you sleep. No gym needed. Village secret that nutritionists don't want you to know? Only 5 minutes to make. I'm Kusum Dubey, and today I'm revealing the Bathua Ki Roti secret that changed my family's health forever. Watch closely. Fresh Bathua leaves, wash, chop finely. Mix cup bathua, red chili, garlic, green chili, ginger, salt, cumin seeds, asafoetida. Mix few seconds. Knead wheat flour with warm water and oil to make a soft but firm dough. The secret: add a pinch of asafoetida, ajwain and ghee. Roll thin, cook on hot tawa. See those bubbles? That's perfection. Flip, apply ghee. Golden crispy, nutritious. Loaded with iron, calcium and vitamins. Weight loss, digestion, glowing skin. Ale in one. Detoxifies liver, boosts immunity, controls diabetes. Ancient wisdom, modern results. Double tap if you're making this today. Comment Bathua for more forgotten recipes. Follow Kitchen Hob Delights for daily magic. Save this now. Tag someone who needs this. Comment your favorite green roti. Subscribe for more kitchen magic daily.